I got another gift from GitHub. It's a secret, so let's not tell anyone. Actually, you know what? The big secret is, this is the small box. I got a bigger one. Let me get it for you. This is the bigger box. I would spin it around, but it's a bit heavy. I have my trusty knife. Actually, Sarah, why don't you throw it to me? No, I'm just joking, don't throw it to me. Check this out. It's like a party in a box! What do we have here? GitHub Stars Nova Conference. We're excited to see you at the first ever Stars annual event, Nova, and an exclusive 2-day event for GitHub Stars, bringing you and the GitHub product team closer together, be connected and celebrate the tremendous things that you do in the open source community. Thank you, GitHub, this looks epic. Can't wait to have some fun and not clean it up. As a thank you, please enjoy the goodies in this box to help you look, sound, and feel great with all the awesome work that you do with the community. As we're all virtual, also enjoying the $$ Visa card to give you the conference feel, and order food and snacks to enjoy whilst you're at Nova. Oh my God, that's so epic. Thank you once again for your passion, your love for sharing your knowledge, for your support of the open source community, the amazing things that you've done and the exciting things to follow. Looking forward to talking with you on November the 30th. Before we get into this exciting stuff, and I throw this up in the air and I'm so excited, people always ask me how to get free swag. And that's not the goal. If you're looking to get free swag, then you're probably never gonna get any good free swag. The best way to do it is get involved in the open source community, collaborate with people, communicate with people, share what you know and learn from them. And the swag will come naturally, will come secondary. That's the way to do it. You know what? Let's just open this! Without further ado, let's have a look what we've got. So many goodies. Eddie, let me stop you right there. Before we get into this exciting unboxing and show everyone the awesome items that we've been sent, I would like to remind everyone that getting involved in the conversation in the open source community is such a great way to not only accelerate your career, your learnings, your skills, but to build your network. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel below, hit the bell button so you get notified every time I go live or post a video. And in the description below, we also have a Discord channel where you can chat between live streams and videos. Everyone in there is really inclusive. They want to show you what they've learned and they would love to hear more about what you've learned recently. And that's the way we can work together as a community to improve our skills and grow our network. Anyway, enough from me. Let's hear more from me, I guess. Remember how the box at the beginning was made out of stickers? This is made out of stickers. Oh, 432 pieces. It's a puzzle with all of these things. Stay there. What else do we have? Logitech Brio 4K webcam. Yeah. What else? Got some big stuff in here. Pop filter. I saw from socials that the pop filter is customized by GitHub, so it has the GitHub logo on it. This is amazing. What is this big one? Let's dig around. There's even a bigger one underneath. This is what the weight is. Whoa. Blue Yeti, the blackout version. Check this out. Look at this. Pure water from a self-cleaning bottle. Oh my God, this is like my dream. This is like the best thing ever. My OCD is gonna be sorted. Self-cleaning bottle. It's USB rechargeable. Battery, self-cleaning, what more can I want? USB rechargeable, UVC LED, double insulated, rechargeable via USB. Awesome. 1% for the planet. A portion of proceeds go to our charity partner, 1% for the planet, to benefit from environment and bring safe drinking water to billions. That is so cool. Clean inside and out, 10,000 times more hygienic than regular reusable bottles. Environment friendly, long lasting power, yes, 1 to 2 months. Whoa. Double insulated, keep cool for 24 hours. This is like, got my name all over it. Literally, my name is LVRQ. Oh, there's a note in here that says, do not eat. If anyone needed explaining that it's not meant to be eaten. Now, for the biggest box in the big box. A key light. Check it out. This is me, well, it's not actually me, and they have light camera screens, and this face needs all the light it can to look, you know, give it that edge to look a bit better. Yes. Okay, let's put this over here. I'd like to say a big thank you to GitHub for these awesome gifts. It's really gonna step up the video, audio, visual, just that whole live streaming and video setup, so it's amazing. Thank you so much. It was a massive surprise, and I'm just really excited about the Nova conference. It's gonna be great. I can't wait to hear what all the GitHub people at other stars talk about. I must apologize, I didn't submit at CFP this year, but I will for your next event. And everyone watching, I hope you enjoyed my second ever unboxing. I do have a third box to unbox in the future. But again, I just want to reiterate, get involved in open source. Open source is not just about code. It's about communication and collaboration. So it'll enhance all your skills, not just your coding skills, but all the other skills related around that, which are just as important. Get involved in the conversation. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Do a little bit every day and often. It's not about trying to brush your teeth all weekend, because the benefit won't help. And the same goes for open source. It's about doing a little open source every few days, and if you miss a day, it'll be fine. But in the bigger picture, your profile, your experience, and your network will get better and grow. Remember, open source a day keeps Eddie away. All the awesome... Did I hit record on that thing? Just had this doubt. We're recording, it's okay. Clean inside and out. 10,000 times more hygienic. Hygienic? How do you pronounce that? Hygienic. But if we're in America, that was a joke.